I think one of the most brutal aspects of male biology is that given the opportunity, if it were to present itself and or you would never find out, I would say up in the high 90s to 99% of people, you kind of hang out with in your day-to-day lives, say your work or friends, or say your, buddies, you do whatever with, right? They would fuck your chick, and they wouldn't tell you about it, and they keep it a secret from you. And this is a shit aspect of just like, just male biological nature in general. And it's a brutal black pill on friendships and, how really shallow people really are at their core. People really, kind of create these bonds via like, oh, we like the same sports team, or, we have similar interests and this and that. But, at the end of the day, if there was two guys left on this planet and one girl, right? We see it in these sci-fi movies all the time, and The Walking Dead, and they make for a really good plot, right? It's like, and even in Black Mirror, right? It's like if there's one woman left on this planet, and some of the bestest of friends, right? They often turn into enemies over competition, and it just goes to show how males at their core and humans beings at their core, we're really such depraved creatures that really hold no substance to any relationships we have, or boundaries we have. And I don't know, man, it's just always made it very, very, very difficult for me to ever like truly like look at someone and have like trust in them, especially another guy or something, just really as a human being. Because I think in my mind, I'm like, if you were truly pushed to your limits in terms of like, like situations, right? Like you didn't have an abundance of girls, you didn't, what would this person do to me? And usually I come to the conclusion that they probably would do that. And it's like, maybe that's just because my brain is damaged. There's like a neural connection fucked up there, but that's how I view people. So like this kindness people show when you're with your chick, like, always like, just being kind, let me hold the door open. Like, it's basically saying that, like, if you wouldn't find out and you never would know about it, I would fuck your bitch. That's basically what that means. Like, in my mind, at least, as a fucking, truly fucking mental cell disturbed person, that's what that means to me. That's what that means. Like, there's no other reason for it. What does that mean? Oh, I'm just trying to be nice? Get the fuck out of here. You know what I mean? No guy's holding the door open for me saying, here you go. No one's doing that. So this fucking brutal black pill is that all guys, if given the opportunity, most for that matter, I would say in the high 90%, and you would never find out, and or they could just get away with it, would fuck your bitch as a guy. So just, if you go around and you have your friends, just know that about them. Just know that it's literally just human biology and it's human behavior, and that literally it's just a brutal black pill of like that. In reality, we may attribute a lot of meaning to like our friendships and shit, and we made it day to day like, yeah, Jeff's such a good guy, yeah, we really get along well and we're close. It's like, well, if given the opportunity, he would fuck your bitch, So that fucks up your day, I'm sorry, but it's kind of how I think about it.